confidence with the rituals the native doctor performed on my father's grave last night. He assured me that all is well now. I can now relax and prepare my mind for upcoming court case. Where did you get this nonsense from?
Someone dropped it with the gatesman.
This is rubbish. It's obvious Chuma and Gabriel are behind this.
God forbid that I honor such an invitation.
Don't worry, Mom. By the time I finish with them, alright? By the time I deal with them, they will be forced to leave that village for exile. Leave it for me. I will make them pay for all they have done to you. Hand the letter. But you're not meant to bother yourself with this now. You're meant to tear it there without even showing me. It's not everything I need to see.
What do you think about going to SMO's place as we have been mandated by our woman?
Do you think Ijoma would accept this arrangement?
And that is exactly what is ringing in my heart. You know, she's a born-again Christian, and you know how they behave. She might not agree to this arrangement.
So what do you think?
We are doing this for the interest of the entire family. Incest is a serious offense in Igbo land, and if not properly handled, can take the life of the entire family.
Make your suggestion. What do we do?
I suggest that we should not tell her yet until we have visited Ezemo.
That is what we are going to do. Maintain this. So let me go. We'll see tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
You will never share your glory with anybody. Almighty God, that is your name. Demons tremble at your presence. What a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God we serve. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Everything written about you is great. In the mighty name of Jesus. Father, I stand in the gap for your son, oh God, Desmond Okorocha this minute. Father, gone are the days where the sins of the fathers is visited on the children. Father, Desmond will not go for the sin he did not commit. Father, vindicate your son Desmond Okorocha. Father, he will not suffer because he did not commit what he's been accused of. Father, I'm asking you, God, to come down in the name of Jesus and set your son free. Father, as it is in the days of Elijah of old, he decreed and it came to pass. I step into that prophetic anointing and I decree that this minute your son Desmond will be set free in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, he that the son has set free is free indeed.
Your wickedness is increasing every day. But remember, it's yet to come. But remember, CHIDIEBERE. What you sow, you shall reap. Oh God, hear my
Dikeh, who sold a piece of land at the hillside? I am asking you.
I did. Do you have a problem with that?
What kind of sick joke is that? Huh? How dare you sell the piece of land at the hillside without my consent? Are you okay?
Ask me again. Who are you? Eh?
Well, I don't do things with second in commands. I obviously didn't tell you because you're not the first wife of the family.
Thank you.
Don't you think so?
Jeff, do you have conscience at all?
Oh no, my conscience has been a long time, so I don't have conscience.
Eh? You sold a land without my consent, family land.
Hey, what's your problem? Why are you making noise? What do you think you can do about it? Because the land has been sold and very soon work will commence on it. So, hey mama.
Listen, let me tell you, alright? I want to be kind enough to tell you this. Do not step your feet on that land if you don't want your life shattered.
Jeff, you lied. That piece of land belongs to all of us.
Onyebu us? Iso? You a fool. Us.
Oh, Charity. It has gotten to the stage that you now talk back when I'm talking, eh? I hope you know I have issues. And I'm very careless with my temper. I can misplace it anytime. I hope you haven't forgotten.
Jeff, for your information, that piece of land is not for sale. You hear me? That piece of land is not for sale. Refund the money you collected from the person that you sold the land to. It is not for sale.
Lie! The land has been sold. You can do nothing about it.
You are dreaming. You are dreaming when I'm out for you because of that land, eh? Refund that money.
Hey. Stop making noise.
So?
That can never happen in this house. So long as I'm still alive, it will never happen.
Are you okay?
Tell your son to refund that money. Tell your son to refund the money, oh. It is not for sale.
Hey, Mom, come on. You are the queen. You don't need all of this cheap drama. Okay? Just relax and drink your juice, Mama.
Did you hear that? This is my kingdom. I am the queen. So step aside.
Of course.
Did you hear that?
Hey! Please.
Okay.
No.
Jeff!
No.
Jeff,
Leave me alone. No, my God. No, my God.
Yeah? Ijom, what did you do to...
Don't call me. Don't you call me.
What did you do to my son? Eh? Jeff! Jeff! Jeff!
My daughter, I saw it. Hey! I think Jeff is being haunted by a spirit. Yes. Because that boy, I don't trust him. He might be into something bad. Something terrible.
You're right, Mom. That's why he's being haunted.
But as for that land they sold, they must refund the money. They must refund that money.
Mom, God will punish Jeff and his mother. They will know no peace.
They will never know peace in this family.
Amen.
Just look at what happened there. Eh? That boy is living a bad life. I've been suspecting him. Okay, no name maga. Something is behind it. Have you seen it? I was even shocked myself. Oh my God.
My son told me the enemy is using a ghost to hunt him. But he did not tell me who the enemy is.
Good morning, Mom.
Morning. How was your night?
My night was fine.
Are you going out?
Yes, I've been calling the judge. He's not taking calls. I really don't know why.
Did you have a disagreement with him?
Not at all. I paid him his money complete.
So why is he not taking your calls?
I really don't understand. Anyways, let me pass through his chambers and see him.
Okay. Son, I am still wondering about the incident that took place yesterday. You have refused to tell me who the enemy is.
Well, Mom, this is not what we can talk about now. Alright? Let me see the chief judge. I'll see you when I come back.
Vanity, vanity, all is vanity, vanity. Everything a vanity.
Jeff!
All is vanity.
I'm still waiting for you to tell me that you have called the judge to withdraw the case.
And why should I do that?
Why won't you? Because that was the reason you raped me.
Do you know you're a very big fool? You see why I call you Muggle? Your enemy invited you to his friend's house and you couldn't read the handwriting on the wall. You foolishly came to answer the call.
Jeff.
Listen, let me tell you, this should be the last time you will ever confront me over this matter. I'm awful.
Jeff, I bet you, my God will punish you, I bet you. You will suffer for it, Jeff, you will suffer for it. Beast! You will suffer for it.
Mogo, the Allah, your brother. Mogo.
What is the problem? Why are you so face like this? I don't understand. What is eating you up? What is pissing you up?
The judge is dead. He's dead.
Which judge are you talking about?
The judge handling my case.
What? Yes. How did you know about this?
I was just coming from his office now and I met his secretary that he died of heart attack.
Damn, this is really bad. What about the money you guys bargained on? Did you pay him?
Yes, now. I paid him the money complete. I paid him everything.
So what are you going to do about it now?
I want it's not about popcorn now.
Listen, Jeff, you have to be a man, okay? Forget about this thing. You have to be a man. You have to be a man, okay? Forget about this thing. Alright? I'm your brother. I'm here for you. Let's go out and have a couple of drinks together and you get over this, okay? Come on, be a man, Jeff. I've got my security guys locked down, so the house is not a problem. Let's go out. Jeff, be a man. Be a man.
Just because you think you're on top, I need to go find it.
Mom, are you
Sorry. Pastor Joe called. He said he wants to see two of us in the office now.
Did anything happen?
He didn't tell me. Just go and dress up. Let us go. I'll wait for you in the car.
Mom, Jeff just came back looking very troubled. I guess something is wrong. He was complaining bitterly to his mom. He stopped the moment he saw me.
Is there concern? Does it concern me? My friend, go and dress up. Let us go. There's no time. I'll wait for you in the car. Go now. Go.
I'm yet to believe this. So this kind of thing still exists in our family. How are we going to break this news to our people?
Shoma, we are going to tell them everything the SMO said. Because the story has changed though.
Now I know why that young man behaved so badly.
It is strange. It is strange.
Ijoma and her people will be very glad to hear this.
The problem I have is Desmond, who is detained over Eukarya and her devil incarnate son, who framed him up. Let
me now know how they are going to further the case, now that the truth has come out.
They are highly going to be disappointed and frustrated.
Hey! Aruneme. Chuma. Aruneme. Chuma. Chuma.
Is there coming?
Pastor.
Sister, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sister Joma, I sent for both of you today because of the revelation I had last night concerning your family. The Holy Spirit revealed it to me clearly.
Pastor, I hope it is not about misfortune.
Misfortune? Not really. But it concerns a problem you're facing in your family. Oh God, I thank you. And before I go on with the revelation, let me inform you that God has answered our prayers.
Amen.
Glory to God.
God, I thank you. Amen.
God said to me this morning, son, do not be disturbed, for I will perform a miracle in that court case.
Hey! Thank you, God! God, I thank you! God, I thank you! Pastor! Hey!
Let's just sit and expect that miracle.
Hey!
I don't know how he will do it, but he said to me that it is done.
Hey! Amen. God, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. God, you are more than enough. I can't thank you enough.
And now back to the revelation I told you about.
Okay, Pastor.
Sister Joma.
Okay, Pastor.
Do not be angry if I may ask you this question.
Okay.
How many children did your husband have?
Pastor. 5. The first wife begot only 2 boys and a girl. I myself, I begot 1 boy and a girl.
Just that?
Just that. Just that.
But it's not so in the realm of the spirit.
Pastor, how do you mean? I don't understand.
Thank you, Jesus. Lord, I worship.
Thank you.
I give you all the praise.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Pastor, talk to us now. Thank you, Lord. Amen. Pastor. Hey! 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 God, wait. God way.
Hey? I'm yet to believe this.
This is incredible. Do you know your father said something like this before he died? But I didn't believe him.
Mom, what are we going to do now? We can't keep quiet over this.
The problem is that Eukarya might deny this. Yes, he will deny it.
Then we invite the pastor. Let him say it before everyone.
Hi. Your uncle should know about this. You know what? We are going to the village after tomorrow's court.
Mom, that will be better. If we travel to the village, we will come back with them. So that they will be around if we invite the pastor.
Hey! Uncle Nemen. How? Eukarya. This is the end of your wickedness in this family. Hey! It is time to reap what you sow.
That was a dream.
Yeah, Abolonlo. It looks so real to me. He nearly killed me. He nearly killed me. He nearly killed me. What is happening now? What is happening? The native doctor assured me that I will not see the ghost again. Nah. This is a sign. This is a sign. This is a sign. There's still a problem.
This battle for me. I am weak and helpless. I am only but a woman. I have no power of my own, God. Please, please. Come and fight this battle for me. I am confused at this moment, God. I need your help. God, I need your help. I need your help. I need your help.
Or whatever you call yourself. Go to the kitchen and clean up that mess you left in.
I don't understand, ma. You slapped me?
Do you want me to slap you again? Do you want me to slap you again?
What is it? What is it?
Chief, this thing you brought here as your wife want to turn my house into a piggery. Go to the kitchen and see this to yourself.
Eukarya, it was me that peeled the oranges. And you know it.
You see? Chief, you have started defending her. Okay, now tell me, what is she waiting for? Is she waiting for me to go and clear that mess for her?
You carrier. Can't you clean it? Are you not my wife too? Leave Ijoma alone for me. Please, leave Ijoma alone for me. I am telling you, and you are not listening.
Chief, you are the reason Ijoma does not give me respect in this house.
It's a lie. It's you that doesn't respect yourself. Leave Ijoma for me. I have told you. She's carrying my child. I've told you now. I'm trying to make you understand. You won't agree. If anything should happen to that child she's carrying, you will hear from me. Sorry, my darling. Sorry. Huh?
She slapped me.
Sorry. Don't worry. Let's go. Okay, just get up. Let us go. Let's go inside. Oh.
Our wife, how is little Desmond doing?
It's fine.
He's asleep.
Hey. It's been long you came to see us.
Oh yes, our wife. It's because of this farming season. We will all engage in our various farms, trying to do what we know how to do. If not, hunger will clear the whole village. You know now.
That's true.
When is our brother coming back from where he traveled to? You know, we want to see him as soon as possible so that we will discuss just one little important thing before we go back to the village.
He said we'll be coming back tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow, Ray?
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay. How to come back?
You can no.
You carry a boat. You carry a boat at home.
No, they are not.
What are you doing here? You have succeeded in getting my husband a second wife. So what else do you want?
UK.
Oh, you thought I was not a woman enough because I had a little delay in getting pregnant for your brother.
UK, Julia okay, it has not come to this.
Both of you should stand up here and leave right now.
What? These people just arrived all the way from the village. How could he ask them to live like that?
Look at this little brat that you people brought for my husband as a second wife. Who are you to talk while I'm talking?
This is our brother's house. He can't ask us to leave our brother's house. To where?
Oh, don't forget that this is my husband's house and I have every right to throw you out of this house. So both of you should leave right now.
We are not stepping out of this place. This is our brother's house, and this is our brother's house, and you have no right at all to ask us to live here.
Oh, you are not leaving. Relax and wait for me. I'm coming.
Has she suddenly lost her respect?
I don't understand. I don't know why she's behaving this way.
You can't.
Oh, stay here. Hey! What am I doing my husband's son? It's yours. As for you, Chief, you sent for me.
Yes, sit down. My brothers came here yesterday and you drove them away. Is that not true?
So she told you?
She did not tell me anything. My brothers called and told me what you did to them. How could you carrier? How could you?
Chief, I only want them to stay away from this house. After all, they have accomplished their plan by getting you a second wife. What else do they want? What?
Nobody got me a second wife. It was my decision. I've told you countless times. Don't put these people in the position they are not. They are not part of it.
Chief, you can't fool me. I know the part both of them played. I owe nobody any apology. This is my house. Excuse me.
You are looking for trouble. You carry her.
Why are you bothering him? After all, this is what you want. Leave him to come and beat me. Chief, come and beat me.
What? You. This woman has become a problem to me in this house. It's needful that you know the truth. I met Eukaria when she was used and dumped by her boyfriend with 2 months pregnancy. As an orphan, she hadn't anybody to take care of her. I brought her close and took care of her.
You mean you took her home to stay with you?
Not really. But she was coming from time to time to my house. We continued like that until I started seeing some good qualities in her. I talked to my brother Gabe about it, and he encouraged me to marry her. That is how she became my wife.
You said she was pregnant. What about the baby?
The baby was born, but she died. It was a female child.
It's a pity.
It's a pity indeed. After this incident, I realized that Eukaria was cheating on me. Her ex-boyfriend came back from overseas and they started dating each other once more. I did not believe that until when I caught them in my own matrimonial bed. You see, the memory of her infidelity is still fresh in my mind.
Darling, please, I plead with you to forgive her. I'm happy at last she has a baby boy for you.
Ijoma, I have to go out now.
Darling, is everything alright?
Well, I received news that Eukaria and her son had an accident as they were coming back.
Accident?
Yes. The doctor says my attention is required immediately, so I have to go.
How serious was it?
Well, they didn't say, but I have to go right now. I will call you.
Okay. You drive safe. God. Please don't allow anything to happen to Eukaria and her son.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Darling, what kept you so long?
Just go and get me a glass of water first.
Darling, what happened?
Well, your career is fine. But Jeff is serious. He lost a lot of blood.
Jesus Christ. How is he?
Well, they said he needed a pint of blood. I had to buy from the hospital when my own could not match his. I started getting worried from then.
Worried about what?
Well, I have a feeling Jeff is not my son.
Darling, how could you say things like that? Jeff is your son.
Ijoma, that's what you think. I found that out from the hospital. I am AA. The mother is AA. And the boy I call my son is AS. How can that happen?
Darling, there could be a mistake somewhere.
That is what you think. But the doctor assured me that the tests were accurate. My curiosity started the very moment Eukarya told me she was 2 months pregnant. Because I knew that it wasn't up to 1 month I met her.
Chief, what have I done to you? Chief.
Eukarya, you must tell me the true paternity of your son. You must tell me that.
Darling, please now.
Please what? She will tell me or she's leaving this house.
Chief, I don't know what you're talking about. If your plan is to throw me out of this house because you have a second wife, Chief, I will not agree with that. I will not. Oh.
Darling, please, please.
She must leave.
Please.
She must leave this house. Except she tells me the truth. Tell me the truth now. The true paternity of that child. Tell me. How can I be AA? You are AA. And he is AS.
Ijoma, you think I don't know you are the brain behind this?
Me?
Yes. You planned the accident in order to kill me and my son. As that did not work out, you instigated my husband into throwing him out of the house. Ijoma, why? What have I done to you? Eh?
God knows I can't do anything like that. Darling, have you seen it?
Eukarya can say whatever she likes. All she has to do here is tell me the true paternity of that child. You must tell me. You must tell me. You must tell me.
I'm going inside to sit down. I'm not going anywhere.
In fact, I am going into the house now to pack your things. You are leaving this
Chief, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going.
I said you are leaving.
Hey.
You are leaving.
If not for my effort, our late husband would have sent Eukarya away with her son. I tried all I could to make Chief forget the past and love her again as his wife. Today, the same Eukarya and her son are thorns in my flesh.
Jeff, cheer up. This is not the end of the case. That the court granted him bail means nothing. We are talking about a criminal case.
You don't even get it. The judge said she's interested in this case. What does she mean by that? Didn't you sense something fishy by that statement?
Look here, I don't care about what the judge said. The court has the evidence against him. So what are you talking about?
Nah, honestly, I can't believe this. I didn't see this coming. The former judge's death cost me a lot. All the money I spent wasted like that. Nah, I don't want to lose this case, so I don't want to lose this case for any reason.
I don't understand why you are having this negative thought about this. The court can grant someone bail and still go ahead to jail the person. What is the matter with you? This is what we're going to do. We're going to offer this woman a good sum of money. That way she will favor us.
I don't understand. We are talking about the woman whose husband is the chief judge of this federation. That woman is not corrupt. I've heard a lot about her. Besides, remember the gun has no fingerprint. If she decides to look further, do more findings, she will discover the truth. That means this case will be yanked automatically.
But that will not stop us from doing something. Okay? We still have to try and see if she will favor us. And, Chef, you are drinking too much. It's not helping. Drinking is not going to solve this problem.
Desmond must rot in prison.
It's okay, man. Let me just think.
Vanity, vanity, all is vanity, vanity. Everything a vanity, vanity, all is vanity. Can you wear ruda? What can guide you? Can you get ruda too?
Why are you doing this to yourself? Oh, please, no. Why? You have not even lost the case and you're smoking and drinking yourself to stupor.
Allow me to drink, Mom. I just want to drink. I forgot about what happened in the court today.
No. Papa. No.
Oh, this woman. You are so loving and caring mother. You love your son, Jeff. I know you are bothered because you think I'm not fine. But I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
It's okay. Stop what you're doing.
You can have that. Well, I have this. Mom, you see that judge? I am going to see her tomorrow. Alright? She is going to tell me why she granted Desmond bail.
No, you are not going anywhere.
Mom, what's going on here?
Look at my sweet sister, baby. Huh? You see you and Momsy, alright, are the best friends I can ever think of. Love you. No. Do not whisper, alright? Don't whisper. If you want to say anything, say it loud. Loud and clear.
Mom, can you stop him from drinking?
This life is good. For those who believe. Where else should I run to? Eh? If I had known, I couldn't have done this. This is barely 3 months since I joined the Brotherhood. But I'm yet to see the riches they promised me. Are you sure it's not rehearsals that I did? Eh?
Jeff, my man. Oh my God.
My brother. Nah, you people really treated me well today. I had fun.
That is one of those things.
Nah, nigudi babes, nigudi cars, nigudi men. Nah, una kubiko, una ko guy.
Jeff, my man.
Nah, my brother. Tinyem nefana alone now. What's going on? Looks like you've forgotten everything we discussed. One netinyem nefana alone now. Abukwam your man. Now, take a very good look at yourself. One negudu you attire. Now 1 yard of this is 15,000. Just take a very good look at your mansion. Negudu if you do here one guy, I beg. TM nefana alo. You be my friend.
Jeff, my man. Akoro bunyi ihaja abu okalanya. Osikayade kwa kayade.
Now, one forget that old saying now. If your name is now, forget that old saying. Nah, guy, I am determined. Now, one netinye nefana alo. La put that in now.
Nah, ewu aburo ewu nena baronwa ya. Ewu aburo soko. Makachuku.
Now, one day, Lufugo Jeff. Now, one day, during school days, I was the most rugged and dogged. I've seen it all.
Well, it's okay, Jeff. I have heard everything you said. I will give it a thought, okay? So, just calm down and let's go inside, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Let's go inside, okay? Jeff, my man.
Everywhere sauce. Now one I need more. Please, I beg you,
Sado. The great Sado. Brother.
Young man, you are welcome to this brotherhood. I hope you know what you are about to go into, because there is no going back.
Fire down, sir. I'm ready.
The mind is willing, but the body is weak. Sado!
Asado. Iruka Asado.
Step forward and kneel before me. Today, I hereby confirm you as a member of this brotherhood. Asado will give you riches, wealth, fame, and all that you want. But your father will be the first sacrificial lamb to the great Asado. And so shall it be.
These are your petting me like this.
Sit.
Oh, you have fruits. Can I have some?
No. Unfortunately, I bought them for Dad.
Why, we can share.
No, I promise I'll get yours tomorrow.
You promise?
I promise. So I want you to do me a favor.
Okay.
Can you help me give Dad the fruits?
Why? You can't do that yourself?
Not really. You know, me and Dad, we're not really in good rapport. So I want you to give the fruit to him. Tell him you bought it for him.
But you know Dad loves fruits. Whether you two are in good rapport or not, he's still going to accept it.
Good. That's why I want you to give him the fruits. You know how much he loves fruits.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to do it, but on one condition.
Okay, more ears.
You getting my...
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow.
Of course. I get yours tomorrow. I get you bananas, I get you pineapple, I get you watermelon, I get you cucumber.
You sure?
100%.
Alright, I'm going to do this right away.
Okay, just make sure you peel the oranges for him so he will drink the...
Alright, just come open the door.
No, just come.
I'm coming right back.
Don't forget, even the cucumber, make sure you peel everything.
I will.
One more, what are we dragging for? Obeluwa, vanity, all is vanity. Uranye kuru noa koga, uranye kuru koga, vanity, all is vanity. Obeluwa koga, esi UNYEDIKA, kachiruda webiri, esi wanebuwa.
My dad took ill a few days after eating those fruits, and he has been in the hospital all this while. I'm the only one who knows he's not going to survive it, or possible.
I was knocking at your door, not knowing you're here.
Yeah, I'm just, chilling here, receiving fresh air. Where are you going to?
I'm heading to the hospital to see Dad.
Okay.
Why not you go inside and dress so we go together?
No, I'll go much later. Much later when I can.
Why? Ever since Dad was admitted, you've never gone to see him. What is the problem?
Nothing really, just that I'm not feeling so strong. I will go when I recover.
Alright, I'll be on my way. Oh, Mommy is back. Welcome, Mom. Mommy, talk to me. What is it?
Your father is dead.
How managed? Mommy, no. What happened? How? How, Mom?
What did you say, Mom?
Dad is dead.
He died before I got to the hospital.
No. This can't be true. Daddy! No, this can't be true. This cannot be true. Mommy! Mommy, no, this cannot be true.
Must do something now. Must do something. I can't believe them like this.
Afro
Mommy, I thought you said Jeff told you he's not going out.
Of course he did.
But he's dressed up already. He said he's going to the Joy's house.
What are these men doing?
What are they doing here?
I don't know. I wonder. Bia. What are you people doing here? Get out. Eh? What are you people doing here?
We have a message for you and your son.
What kind of stupid message? Eh? I thought you said you ostracized us. What else do you want from us?
You okay?
I didn't too much. I don't like it.
We are here for a more serious issue.
What useless issue?
Momsy, who let the dogs in?
Ask that stupid gate man. Come here.
Didn't I tell you both not to step your feet in this house?
We have a message for you and your mother.
Hey! We are here to... Didn't I tell you both not to step your feet in this house? Did I warn you not to step your feet in this house?
Please, we are here to reveal a hidden truth.
Yes.
Ask them out of this compound.
No more. I want to know the hidden truth.
Yes.
Get on your feet! What are the hidden truth? Jeff, please put the gun away.
Put the gun away.
Start talking.
We found out that you are not the true son of our late brother.
Hey! Shut up!
Uyaka! Is that a joke or what?
It's not a joke. It's not a joke.
You think I'm joking?
It is not a joke. It is not a joke.
Start talking before I splash your skull on that wall.
It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Your mother here will tell you the truth.
Yeah?
Mom. What are they talking about?
I don't know. Tell these men to leave. Huh? Why do you want to cause confusion in my family?
Hey!
They're lying.
Stop kicking them. They're not your mates. They're not your mates.
The kinsmen sent Chuma and I to consult the chief priest concerning what transpired between you and Charity. At least to cleanse the land.
Yes.
After consulting the gods, it was confirmed that you slept with Charity. But that was not an incest. The reason being that both of you are not blood related. Your mother here was impregnated by another man. Imperi. And one young man Imperi is an imperialist.
Imperialist Abukwagi. No, don't believe this man. Please sit up, what?
Whose semen did you bring here?
I brought my sister's semen, of course.
I ask you again. Whose semen did you bring here?
Wise one, I was in Mugu. I brought my sister's semen. Ask my friend McKay. I did everything in his house.
Yes, in my house. You cannot run faster than your shadow. For the semen you brought was not your sister's semen.
Wise one, I brought my sister's semen. Ask my friend here.
Quiet! She is not your sister. For she shares no blood relationship with you. Go and get your sister's semen. Else, the ghost will not stop tormenting you.
Wait.
Stay one place. Wait.
Imperi, stand.
What are you trying to do? You know how to come here.
Jeff, please.
Who is my real father?
Hey, what are you doing?
Who is my father?
Talk, Mom! Shut up! Don't mind this.
Who is my father? Start talking.
It's me, okay, now to Egbe. Don't believe this man now.
Who is my father? Start talking.
Your father is your father now. Your father was my late husband.
Who is my father? Mom, talk now.
I
am losing it, Mom. Who is my father for the last time?
Mom, you lose now.
Speak, Mom.
Don't lose it.
Talk.
Hey!
Gini, Eminem maybe here talk. What's it talk?
I will talk. I will talk because
Mommy, talk.
Speak, Mom, talk.
Talk, Obano.
Otto.
What's your Otto?
Kyria, you can talk to me. I'm still your friend. What is the matter?
Mike, I'm pregnant.
Sure, I don't understand. You are what?
Yes, I am pregnant and you are responsible.
Is that why you are worried?
Yes.
You don't have to be afraid. Okay?
Mike, for some time now I've not slept with my husband. All his attention has been to his new wife and her child. What will I tell my husband if he finds out that I am pregnant?
Come on. You don't have to be afraid. Okay? You must look for a way and make him to sleep with you. And you must do it. Okay?
It's not as easy as you think. My husband is not an easygoing man. That is why I am deeply worried.
You must use your power as a woman. You don't have to be worried. Use your power as a woman and make him to sleep with you. Okay? Come on, cheer up. All is well. Okay?
Okay, I'll try.
Hey!
Hi.
Hey! Mike is your biological father.
How? This is unbelievable.
I'm sorry, son. I'm sorry. He is also Bibian's biological father.
Hey. Oh, please. Tell me this is not true. Tell me it's not true, please.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
You disappointed me, Mom. How could you? You pushed me into this. The man I thought was my biological father. All these years isn't my biological father.
How? Sorry. Please forgive me.
You held back the truth from me, making me fight for what is not mine. How dare you? How could you?
I'm so sorry.
Jeff, please.
How could you?
Jeff, please. Jeff, please stop.
Drop the gun
Jeff,
now, please. Jeff.
How could you?
How could?
Otobain, Dosegba, drop that gun.
How could you? God, I trusted you. Please, for the sake of God.
How dare you?
Mother! Oh my God! Oh my God! Jeff! What have you done? Jeff! What have you done? Oh my God!
Jeff, stop!
Olivia!
Drop your gun!
Jeff, don't hurt my daughter. That's him, officer. Don't hurt my daughter.
You're under arrest for the murder of Baristofili and attempted murder on this young lady here.
Young man, this is not the way to enter into someone's office. It's an act of intrusion. And what's the meaning of this?
Pardon my manners, barrister.
I should show respect and apologize for intruding into my office.
Well, I just said I am sorry.
By the way, what are you doing here? Because I can't remember having an appointment with you.
Well, I just came to confirm if you have finally accepted having deal with my mother.
Will you leave my office before I call the police? Leave!
You amuse me, barrister. You amuse me. Are you ready to have the deal now?
Go and tell that your mother that I am not the corruptible one that can be swayed by anything. I will only do things according to the appointed time. You hear me? Go and tell her.
The appointed time is now.
Oh, wait. I will give you
no more deal.
Let me bring it. Don't shoot me. I will give it to you. That's the way. Oh, sorry. I want to.
Thank you.
Please.
For banking with us.
Please don't kill me, please.
Another Mugo.
Drop it! Don't move! I said don't move. Drop your weapon.
Drop your guns! Or I will kill her! I kill myself.
I don't want to die yet. Mommy, I don't want to die yet.
Officers,
Don't
drop your guns!
Drop your guns! Drop your guns! Drop it! Drop it!
Drop your guns! Drop your guns!
Please.
Drop! Hey, please.
I don't want to die yet.
Step back.
Step back, you know! Step back! Step!
Jeff, because. Hey!
God,
about the one more. Your wickedness is increasing every day. But remember, it's yet to come. But remember, CHIDIEBERE. What you sow, you shall reap. Oh God, hear my cry. ONYEDIKA, Metsuki no Biochiba. Anywhere, if they wanna do the dinner, oh Lord, chink anywhere, if they wanna do the dinner, I don't have strength to fight the chink anywhere.